Weather impact alert going to begin in the PM hours, mid-late afternoon, peaking later on this evening, but also going all the way through tomorrow. Two different threats, not only for good old-fashioned rain, also could see a couple of severe thunderstorms. Let's dig straight into it. This current radar is now 1114, sitting just sub 80 degrees. It feels very, very heavy when you step out. Very, very thick of air. However you would describe high humidity. Right now we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies, but watching for some pops of sun. That is going to add even more energy to an already energized atmosphere. Biggest threat would be hail for today. That is my main concern. Going to be watching for any isolated thunderstorms to pop up this afternoon, but especially later on this evening, and especially if you're up in Hill County towards Corsicana to the northeast of Waco. Highest risk for you for today. You can see maybe southern San Saba County, northern Burnett County, some pockets of very, very light drizzle is how I would describe this, if it's even hitting the ground. Just an energized atmosphere and high humidity is how most of us will stay through the afternoon hours, but an isolated thunderstorm will start to be possible mid to late afternoon. Right now you can see just pockets of drizzle here and there, very light rainfall. There's a tornado watch for northeast Texas. There's already been a couple of severe warnings for 1.5 to 2-inch hail to the north of DFW, and gonna watch for the development of some isolated, very strong to likely severe thunderstorms north of Dallas near the Red River corridor into northeast Texas here in the coming hours. So again, you can see our counties down here. Current radar, not seeing any precipitation quite yet, but isolated thunderstorms possible as early as this afternoon. But the highest likelihood we do see the strongest severe thunderstorms for today would be our northern and northeastern zones later on this evening. So we're going to continue to monitor radar, and then tomorrow a more widespread type of rain chance with the front moving through. Right now mostly cloudy in Waco, 78. Feeling like 80 degrees on the nose, going to be feeling like 90 and probably sitting at 90 some of us this afternoon. Going to be dependent on if the clouds break up, also going to be dependent on if we are seeing some rain cooled air in the atmosphere. Just supercharged energy right now. I felt that immediately when I stepped outside. You'll feel it tomorrow as well, but we are going to start to be cooler over the next few days. Stick with me, I'll get you through it. But you can see, I mentioned the further north and northeast that you go, there is a level 3 enhanced risk for the very, very northern portions of our viewing area pointing towards Dallas, Fort Worth Metroplex into northeast Texas. Level 2, slight risk issued by the SPC that does include McLennan County surrounding areas, and then a level 1 marginal risk for our southern counties. Severe weather risk for tonight, especially this evening, I would say hail is the highest threat. Flooding threat is low. Tornadic threat is 2 to 5%. That is low. And then gusty winds, lightning also going to be possible with the isolated thunderstorms that are likely to pop up this afternoon, and evening high temperatures slated to be feeling like about 95, sitting in the low 90s this afternoon. So going to be very, very uncomfortable there for a brief period. Overnight lows going to be in the 70s or low 60s for our northern counties that likely see the front move through tonight by tomorrow morning. You can see tomorrow's outlook is looking better for the potential severe weather risk. It would primarily be our southern and southeastern zones. So going through the evening hours, you can see this particular model is pulling in a strong line of thunderstorms favoring northeast again, but isolated thunderstorms can pop up anywhere across the viewing area. This particular model is pulling the front in late tonight and early tomorrow. I mentioned the severe risk is going to shift into the Brazos Valley primarily if we're seeing anything left over. Throughout the day on Thursday, we can have multiple rounds of rain as well, and then Friday, about 100% chance you see rain at your house. The severe threat way down. We will be sitting cool in the 60s Friday. Likely a lot of us staying that way for high temperatures. Hail outlook for today. Again, this is a primary risk. Definitely watching Hill County towards Corsicana, Waco Metro as well for those pop-up isolated strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon, but especially later on this evening through late tonight. Second weather model quickly is going to be in general agreement at this point that we are seeing multiple rounds of rain this evening through tomorrow. Tomorrow, about a 50-60% chance you see rain. The severe threat shifts to the Brazos Valley for tomorrow in the front half of the day. And then Thursday, isolated to scattered showers, severe threat low. Friday, severe threat virtually non-existent, but we could see some isolated bouts of flash flooding by Friday. I don't know why this moved over here. It needs to be right here. The 7-day forecast makes it obvious. There's 2 weather impact alerts, Lindsay. I'm just laughing because that little blue box is over there. But definitely stick with us. You can now stream Radar free anytime on 6 Plus if you don't have it on your TV quite yet. Go ahead and grab that. I will be here all the way through late tonight monitoring radar.